Hi, Carol Church here. We are out here in Piedmont, South Carolina. This is a new up-and-coming subdivision by Toll Brothers. They are one of our favorite builders. And this is called a boutique community. They're only going to have like 32 home sites, and they're very large home sites, okay, estate-sized lots. The biggest thing here is, the builder, of course. The location is great. We passed a YMCA, Powdersville YMCA, like just minutes from here, so that's a big deal. The schools here, this is Wren School District, so that's a really big deal here. So yeah, we just wanted to show you. We'll do a little bit of driving around. It's not very big, but yeah, we're excited about it. So you can, pick out your lot now, pick out your home that you want to build on that lot. So it looks great. So we'll drive around and show you a little bit more about it, okay? But yeah, pretty country view, lots of trees. Welcome to Renfield subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. And if you're wondering where Piedmont, South Carolina is, it's in the foothills area in Renfield and Anderson County, South Carolina. The population as of 2020 was just over 6,000. The median home price currently runs around $305,000. Piedmont is a census-designated place along the Saluda River in Anderson and Greenville counties. On the map, it looks like it's in the middle of Atlanta, Asheville, and Charlotte. Come along as we show you this new boutique home community that will feature 32 estate-sized home sites. And it's in Wren School District. Woo! That's a big deal around here. The location is convenient to Highway 81 and Interstate 85. Only 11 miles to downtown Greenville, South Carolina. We'll be showing you Powdersville YMCA. It's only 2 minutes away. This location gives you peace and serenity, yet easily accessible to downtown Greenville, recreation, parks, and shopping. The wonderful Powdersville YMCA is just about within walking distance. Did I mention golf courses? A couple close by are Southern Oaks Golf Course. It's only 1.6 miles away. And Lakeview Golf Club is only 4.9 miles away. In the information section below, I'll be featuring some distances to area hospitals, restaurants, grocery stores, and more. These beautiful, spacious, single-family home designs by Toll Brothers are modern, open floor plans. 1- and 2-story homes that feature 3 bedrooms on up to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms on up to 4.5 bathrooms, 2 or 3 car garage options, bright open concept floor plans, and some offer loft spaces. The kitchens are amazing, very well appointed kitchens featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, just to name a few. We absolutely love the quality and craftsmanship from Toll Brothers. You will not be disappointed. So we are just driving down a little bit, like 2 minutes away, to show you how close the Powdersville YMCA is. And there is a church that is in the same parking lot. It's not attached, but it's right there, Grace Church. Very well known around here, but I was very impressed with this YMCA. They offer everything. I saw where they even have like groups that go hiking and such around here, and that's great. And of course, there's plenty for children also. But yes, great location. So Mike is going to show you a couple shots from the drone to give you an overview of the whole subdivision with the cute little cul-de-sacs. But these are nice, you know, flat lots. You will be seeing a retention, detention pond in the corner back area there. And those are pretty well known in the South Carolina region, the upstate, because water has to go run off somewhere. You know, you don't want it flooding the streets or your yard or anything. So yeah, you'll be seeing that. And of course our red South Carolina clay, plenty of that. But yeah, I love the scenic background, the trees and the beautiful countryside. And there you're seeing that detention pond in the corner there. But yes, of course we are in winter and it does look pretty dead around here, but come spring, everything will green up very nicely. So of course we're looking forward to that soon. So some of these lots are already sold, so be sure, and you know, if you're thinking about moving to the area, you probably want to act on it quickly because these are selling pretty fast. I did want to mention a couple very popular areas that are not too far away. Of course, Easley, South Carolina is only around 13.4 miles away. And Clemson, South Carolina is only around 21.22 miles away from this location. So yeah, very nice. Very convenient area. That's Highway 81 that you're seeing. And that's what we got on to go to the YMCA there in Powdersville. And Mike and I thank you very much for joining us. We hope you found this video helpful. And of course, feel free to reach out to us with any questions, concerns. And of course, we would love to represent you as a husband and wife real estate team. Here's a map of the area. Thank you again.